Does the thought of a social situation make your heart race? Do you worry constantly about saying the wrong thing or being judged? You might think you have a problem with social anxiety. But what if I told you the problem isn't the anxiety itself? The real problem is avoidance. Once you grasp this, everything changes. Social anxiety isn't just a fear of people. It's the fear of being judged, the fear of being seen, the fear of saying something stupid. And when that fear hits, our first instinct is to run, to avoid the situation entirely. But here's a powerful insight from psychologist Jordan Peterson. Anxiety isn't your enemy. It's a signal. It's your nervous system telling you that you're at the edge of your comfort zone, standing right at the border of growth. That feeling is your mind saying, "Hey, this matters. Pay attention." When you run away, you're teaching your brain that the situation is dangerous, and the anxiety just gets stronger. So how do we fight back? Not with positive thinking or empty affirmations. The most effective weapon against social anxiety is something called voluntary exposure. It sounds intense, but it's simple. It means you face what you fear on purpose, but in small, manageable steps. Think of it like building a muscle. You don't walk into a gym and try to lift the heaviest weight on day one. You start small. The same principle applies here. Avoidance tells your brain, "This is dangerous." Exposure teaches it, "I survived that. I can handle this." Confidence isn't born. It's built through this cycle of stress and recovery. Let's make this practical. Start small, very small. Don't aim to become a social butterfly overnight. That's not courage. It's setting yourself up for failure. Instead, focus on winning tiny victories every single day. Maybe today, your goal is just to make eye contact with the cashier for 1 second longer than usual. Tomorrow, you might say a simple hello to a neighbor. The day after, you could ask someone a simple, low-stakes question, like, "Do you know what time it is?" Your brain doesn't update based on wishful thinking. It updates based on evidence. Each small win is a piece of evidence that says, "See, you were fine." Another powerful tool is to tell the truth, or at least, don't lie. Social anxiety thrives when you're wearing a mask, pretending to be confident when you're terrified, pretending to agree with everyone just to fit in, pretending to be someone you're not. This creates a huge internal conflict, which just fuels more anxiety. You don't need to be impressive. You just need to be honest. Being authentic, even if it feels a little awkward at first, reduces that inner turmoil. Less conflict means less anxiety. Here's a mental shift that can change the game. Instead of focusing on how you feel, focus on what you can contribute. Instead of asking yourself, "Am I nervous? Do I look weird?" Ask, "What responsibility can I take here?" In a conversation, that might mean focusing completely on listening to the other person. At a small gathering, it could mean helping to hand out drinks or clear plates. When you shift your attention from your own internal state to being of service, self-consciousness starts to fade away. You become a participant, not just an observer of your own anxiety. And don't forget your body. Your posture has a direct line to your brain. Peterson often says to stand up straight with your shoulders back. This isn't about faking it. It's a biological feedback loop. When you adopt a posture of confidence, standing tall, breathing slowly and deeply from your belly, you send a signal to your nervous system that you are calm and in control. Your body can actually lead your mind out of anxiety. Try it right now. Sit up straight. Pull your shoulders back. Take a deep breath. Feel the difference? Finally, you have to accept imperfection. You will say awkward things. You will stumble over your words. You will have moments where you feel deeply uncomfortable. That's not failure. That's the price of admission for becoming socially competent. The goal isn't to be perfect or fearless. The goal is just to be a little bit better, a little braver than you were yesterday. Here's the beautiful paradox. The more you stop fighting to eliminate anxiety, the weaker it becomes. The goal is not comfort. The goal is capability. When you know you can handle the discomfort, you no longer fear it. Social anxiety doesn't get defeated in one epic battle. It fades away as you stop hiding from life. So face it, slowly, truthfully, and responsibly. And one day, you'll look back and realize you didn't conquer anxiety. You simply outgrew it. If this video helped you in any way, please consider following, subscribing, and sharing it with someone who might need to hear this today. Thanks for watching.